Hello everyone, I am Prem Kumar. Welcome to Olympiads Math Academy. Today I am going to discuss with you very interesting number theory problem. Okay, so find the largest a power b such that the positive integers a, b are greater than 1 satisfy a power b into b power a plus a power b plus b power a is equal to 5329. So these kind of questions, what is the trick? No, just you can factorize it. You can see the first, observation. What is that? So a power b, b power a plus a power b plus b power a is equal to 5329, right? So first you can see, if I take a power b common, right? B power a plus 1. But we need b power a plus 1 is common is required. Then only we can take it out common, right? So for that, what we can say here, so you can take the first expression, you can add 1 both side. Add 1 both side. Then only you can factorize it. Okay. So add 1 both side. Okay. So what we'll get? So a power b, b power a plus a power b plus b power a plus 1. I'm adding 1 right side also. 5329 plus 1. Got it? So this will be 5330, right? So now you can see the first two term which is common. A power b you can take it out. B power a plus 1. The next two term which is common. 1 you can take it out. B power a plus 1. The whole expression you can see. The whole expression which is common. Okay. Okay, student. So b power a plus 1 take it out. So then a power b plus 1 is equal to 5330. These kind of question you have to do one thing. You just, the product of two expressions equal to 5330. Now you can factorize this one. Then, so obviously you can see 65 into 82 you can write the factorization. So we need the largest a power b is required. So what is the possibilities there? So a power b plus 1 is equal to 82, or b power a plus 1 is equal to 65, right? So you can take any order, right? Doesn't matter. So a power b is equal to 82 minus 1. So a power b is equal to 81, right? So here b power a is equal to 64. 64 how to write? 4 cube we can write. So you compare these two things, b is equal to 4 or a is equal to 3, right? So the two expressions equal means what? The both you can see the base b should be equal to 4, the power a is equal to 3. So here a power b is equal to, so how to write? 3 power 4 we can write, no? 3 power 4. So therefore a is equal to 3 or b is equal to 4. So they're asking what is the largest a power b? The largest will be a power b. The possibilities you can see. So 3 power 4. So 3 power 4 is what? 3 power 4 is 81. Correct? 3 cube is 27. 3 power 4 is 81. Is the possibilities, right? Okay. I hope all of you understood this one. Okay, next one. You can see the P of n and S of n. P of n is the product and S of n is the sum of the numbers. So suppose here n is the, what is that? Some integer, right? For example, P of 2 is 2, 3 is there. This is 2-digit number. 2, 3 means you just product it. S of 2, 3 means adding the two now, adding the digits, right? Suppose n is the 2-digit number such that n is equal to P of n plus S of n. What is the unit digits of n? So what we can do, let n be a 2-digit number, 2-digit number. So how you can choose the 2-digit number? Let's take n is equal to, let's take unit place, you can take B, the 10th position you can take A, right? So therefore, how to rewrite this? If you say that digit is A and B, A is the 10th position, B is the unit position. We need actually, what is the unit digits of n? The unit digit of n is B. We need to calculate B. So how to write the 2-digit number here? So 10A, this 10th position, 10A plus B. So now you can use the given thing. What is that? N is equal to P of n plus S of n, right? What is n here? 10A, sorry. So 10A plus B. What is P of n? P of n is the product of the digits. So the product of the digits is what? AB. S of n is what? Sum of the digits. What is sum? The unit digit is B, 10th position is A. Therefore, sum will be A plus B. Now you can solve this. 10A plus B minus AB minus A minus B is equal to 0. I am sending everything one side. Okay, then 10A minus A is what? 9A. B minus B will be cancelled, right? B minus B cancel. 10A minus A is 9A is good. Then minus AB is equal to 0. Clear? Then which is common? If you take A common, 9 minus B is equal to 0. You can see this is 2-digit number. Definitely the 10th positions will not be 0. So therefore A not equal to 0. The only possibility is 9 minus B is equal to 0. You already know that the product of two expression is 0 means either one of them would be 0, right? So A never be 0. Why? Because if A is 0, it is not going to be a 2-digit number, right? Okay, therefore 9 minus B is equal to 0. Therefore 9 is equal to B. Okay, this is the possible answer for unit digits of n. Okay, I hope everyone understood. So if you like this video and you like this channel, and you can subscribe it and like it and share to your friends, everyone benefit from this video sequence of videos. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.